guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hope and I'm a licensed physical therapist. And today I'm going to show you my top 3 stretches to alleviate lower back pain. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I always like to do the leg that feels less tight. So let's say that's my left leg. So I'm going to lie down, preferably on a flat surface. And I'm going to bend the other leg that I'm not stretching. And I'm going to put a belt that doesn't stretch so I can control it better, something that's not flexible. I'm going to put it around the arch of my foot, or you can put it on the ball of your foot. And we're going to start by doing 10 or 15 ankle pumps with your foot down low. And we're going to raise it about 30 degrees, 30, 40 degrees. Do another 10 or 15 ankle pumps. And go a little bit higher again. And by now, you should start to feel a bit of a stretch here in your hamstrings, maybe in your buttock, or behind the knee, or even at your calf. And if you have any more freedom of movement, then you can go even higher until you feel that nice deep stretch. And just hang out there for 30 seconds. And enjoy how that feels while you breathe deep and you breathe slow. So about 5 or 6 deep breaths should do that. And then you're going to do the other leg. The next stretch we're going to do is for what we call the piriformis muscle, which sits right here along your hip and buttock. So you're going to cross that foot over the opposite knee, and you could put your belt under that thigh, the opposite thigh, or you could just grab it with your hands if you have enough flexibility to do so. Otherwise, you could use your belt, and you just go ahead and bring that opposite leg to your chest or to your stomach. And again, you go to that point where you feel a nice deep stretch, and you just relax, enjoy, and hang out there for 30 seconds with nice, long, deep breaths. And feel that muscle start to relax, let go, and release. And like with the other stretch, you would do the opposite leg as well. And the last stretch that we're going to do is for what we call the hip flexor muscles, the groin, the muscles that cross our groin, which when you're a professional sitter, you sit in front of a computer or a desk all day, or you're sitting in your car all day, these muscles tend to get really tight and start to pull on the front of your lumbar spine. So what you need to do is put that leg up on a couch or your bed. Keep the other leg firmly planted on the floor. So I don't know if you can see it, but my knee here is bent and my foot is flat on the floor where I can still see my toes. So my knee is not in front of my toes, it's right on top of my ankle. And I'm going to slowly slide my top leg back until I feel a nice deep stretch here in front of my groin. And you want to try and avoid hyperextending your lower back. So what you could do is try and press your pelvis forward and drop your hips until you feel that nice deep stretch in front of your hip and in your groin. And you would hold it again for another 30 seconds. You could go longer, 30 seconds to a minute is fine, but the important thing is you hold it long enough, you take deep breaths, and you just relax into it. should be nice and relaxing. It should be a calm sensation throughout your body. And again, you would do the opposite side as well. All right, so that's it for today. I hope those stretches help you. And remember, our bodies are meant to move. So whether you're sitting in front of a computer or a desk or whatever, try and get up every 30 minutes or so and move your joints. We need to move our joints all day, every day. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like what you've learned in this video, please hit the like button, and you can subscribe to my channel as well. And I'm going to try and give you more helpful videos on how to move properly, how to stretch properly, so that we could all enjoy the bodies that we were given and we were meant to have fun with. All right, thank you so much and have a great day.